Dryland is a new type, a new breed of serviced office. It's got the look and the feel of a private members club, but with the surface you would expect from a five-star hotel. Business seems to have moved a long way. Many people don't work in the same style as they used to. They don't need just an address or just a telephone number, and they certainly don't just need four walls where they sit down and plug into their laptop. Generally, people tend to move around these days. They need to be face-to-face, they need to have informal meetings with people over a good cup of coffee. And as that's evolved, we thought it was important for us to evolve the model of offices and serviced offices and the way they're perceived. Quite often when you walk into service, you get everything but the service. And I think that was the most important thing for us. That was the key thing, which was get across that five-star service and make it a great place for people to come and work.
Dryland is a new style of serviced office. At the front we have a cafe. We offer hot drinks and room service to all of our clients, and we like to push the boundaries with the technology. We offer far more than other serviced offices. We want our clients to be able to show up, plug their laptop in, log on to the wireless network and be able to get everything they want to be able to get out on the internet and on their own private local network straight off from the word go.
Technology, especially the wireless internet, was one of the key things for us to consider, because if you're coming to work, you want all the tools in order to be able to work, and internet tends to be one of the most important things.
We were asked by Dryland about 2 years ago to come in and provide insight on the technology that was needed to help them create this vision.
So effectively everything that works about Dryland, not just in terms of internet connection for the members and for myself, everything else, all the background systems are all run off the same wireless, so it has to be reliable, it has to be quick, it has to be good, because we are effectively putting all our eggs in one basket, and that's what we're doing with Meru.
Dryland is all about creating an interesting and vibrant work environment, and wireless is a core component of making that environment work effectively. The problem is, though, in the past, wireless, for users has been unreliable, it's been insecure, and it's offered a very patchy service level for clients.
If you're walking into a building that looks as boutique as this does, you don't want to be able to see access points and Ethernet cables and what have you all around the building. So wireless plays a huge part in making sure that our style remains clean and crisp.
One of the real issues with wireless is that essentially it's been designed for the home.
So when they come to the office, they expect to be able to log in, connect and have no problem. They should be able to stream, download videos, go onto their social network site without any problem.
The great thing about the Meru system we have here at Dryland is they can go anywhere in the building, whether they want to go and sit in the cafe or whether they want to go and find a quiet corner in the lounges downstairs. It's seamless wherever they go in the building.
Meru Wireless is really the only one that solves the issues of poor experience with wireless.
When we were deciding on which system to go for, the Meru system stood out due to its predictability, the security, the manageability. At a glance we can very quickly see what the whole network's doing, how many users are logged on, how much of the bandwidth is used up.
If you take a traditional, what we would call a third generation wireless network and put it in the enterprise, you basically have a chaotic network with devices deciding which access point to connect to and send and receive data to at any instant in time. Whereas with Meru Wireless, they've taken that chaos and created order. So the network controls which device is going to send and receive data to which access point at any instance in time, thereby creating a wireless network that actually works and meets business people's expectations.
We like the Meru solution because it enables them to be able to log into one wireless network with one SSID with their credentials, and then they're automatically put on the right VLAN. This negates having to have hundreds of SSIDs all on separate VLANs.
Another bonus of the Meru wireless system is its reliability and predictability. We are a 24/7 business members club, meaning on a Sunday afternoon if you want to pop in and print some things off, or if you're just working late on a Thursday afternoon, it doesn't matter how busy the building is or how full, you are always going to get super fast internet and you're not going to have to worry about the traffic coming in from other members.
The business has been open since November 2011 and we're filling up the building. At the moment we're at quarter capacity and we have over 100 devices running on the wireless network. Users are able to quickly connect with their login details and it's made my life very easy.
Dryland is an extreme environment where people are coming in with a whole number of different devices. So we had to design a network that would provide individuals and companies within the space security, but also the ability to roam and be on their particular private network at any instance in time. And I think at Dryland we've achieved that, and I think this offers more than any other serviced office, especially in the UK and potentially worldwide.
I'm a perfect advertisement for Dryland and for Meru because my job as sales manager requires me to not just sell the building but everything that comes with it. I have to use the internet on a day-to-day basis. I've got clients on the other side of the world that I need to be able to email, I need to be able to update our CRM software, and for that I need super fast internet, and I don't want any hassle, especially when I'm then selling that to someone else. Since I've had no issues, I don't envisage them having any issues either.
We found the Meru system so reliable here, and it works so well that we're looking at rolling it out to our other offices.
Without the predictability and reliability of Meru's network's wireless solution, Dryland would fall well short of its clients' 5-star expectations.